back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm a little bit more put together this time, you know, because the last video, my almond milk video, I really just made it like on a whim, if that's the expression, right? On a whim. And I, wasn't super prepared, but I'm a little bit more polished today. I'm gonna show you how to make 4 different kinds of lattes. And of course, I'm gonna be using my homemade almond milk for the milk. So yeah, let's get started. The first latte I wanna show you how to make is a hot chai latte. And I just used this one from Trader Joe's, the Trader Joe's spiced chai. And I usually put in 2 bags, I'm not gonna lie, when I like to get a little hyphy. But I'm just gonna do 1 bag for today. It's already had enough caffeine for the day. Now we're gonna get my hot water. Electric kettle is a must-have in the kitchen. I can't believe I used to wait so long back in the day with waiting for stuff on the stove. Filled it up to about like 3/4 of the way. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm probably not gonna use the whole thing. I'm probably just gonna use like half of this in there. Oh, it's like 3/4 of the way, but it's gonna be okay. The milk is just gonna balance it all out. A dash of the pumpkin pie spice. And the pumpkin pie spice already has cinnamon, but just a little bit more of the cinnamon. You really don't have to do all this. This might be like too much. And you're just gonna let the tea bag steep. And if you don't wanna wait for it to steep, you can just take a spoon like this and just kind of press on it. Then you can take it out. Now it's time to add in the milk. Of course, I've got my homemade almond milk here. And I'm just going to shake it up and I'm gonna put it in my milk frother. I learned about it from another YouTuber, Sam Oscrawl. Love her and her videos. And yeah, she put me on to this. This is like a really good milk frother. Just got on Amazon. It's a really good investment. Like I said, it was probably like around close to $50. But I mean, if you think about it, we spend like $6 on lattes every day. That adds up, and this is like a good investment if you want to just make your own lattes at home. It also does hot frothing and also a cold milk frother setting. If you just want to heat it up and not froth it, it can also do that, and you can put more in for that. Our milk is ready, so come on over, take a look at how it turned out. The next latte that we're gonna make is very similar to the chai latte, except this is if you don't want caffeine. So this is a turmeric ginger latte. So of course we have turmeric, and we also have black pepper because we actually don't absorb turmeric very well. So if you add a little black pepper when you add turmeric, it helps you absorb the turmeric better. So turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and a little bit of cinnamon. I usually just eyeball everything, so there isn't exact measurements. This is so good if you're feeling sick as well too. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper all are so good for you, like antiviral properties, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. They're just blocking out all the bad stuff. This is the lavender tea that I used to make my lavender latte. I wasn't able to find a lavender tea that was just purely lavender. But this one is the one that I like to use because it tastes just mostly like lavender. Lavender is very like soothing and calming, and that's what the purpose of this tea is. It says a harmonious organic blend of revitalizing tulsi and soothing lavender. I pretty much have matcha on a daily basis. Green tea is really good for you, especially matcha compared to regular green tea has like a lot of antioxidants, and that is really good to protect yourself from cancer. Green tea is amazing, so make sure you're having your green tea. Matcha is definitely more stronger. Matcha is definitely stronger than regular green tea, but matcha has L-theanine in it, and that's an amino acid that is really calming and it helps you focus. So it's like coffee without the jittery, hyper kind of effect. So that's why I like matcha. We're gonna do both the hot and the iced version. I'm pretty used to matcha, but if you're not, you probably wanna start with like a smaller amount. This is about the amount that I use. And also I got mine from Costco. It would be preferable to find a company that also does heavy metal testing for matcha. Those can be more expensive, but at least make sure it doesn't have, if you're in California, like the Prop 65 warning, because that means it's surpassed the level of lead that's like acceptable. I'm just gonna plop it in there. This is a handheld milk frother, but I use it to whisk my matcha up. Battery operated, you can get this on Amazon for like 10 bucks or something. If you're wearing white or something that, you know, you don't want to like stain, you want to make sure you're like standing a little bit away from it, because the matcha can stain you. Yeah, just put it in like 3/4 of the way down and just whisk away. So you want to whisk it until there's that foam kind of layer on the top, and that's when you're good to go. Now I'm adding my frothed hot frothed. Now I'm gonna add my hot frothed almond milk. And that's it, like it's literally done. If you want to get real crunk, that's, wow, okay. I don't know who says that anymore, but you can put a shot of espresso or some coffee. I don't have an espresso maker yet, but like I did this morning, I put some coffee, just like a little bit of coffee in here to make a dirty matcha. It's amazing. I'm also gonna just prepare the iced one too. So I do the same thing, add my matcha in there. I am just going to froth some cold milk. I'm just gonna add that in here. Ooh. Yeah, this is our iced matcha. Maybe I added a little bit too much milk, but you know, I've cut out refined sugar a lot, but sometimes when I do have iced or like the dirty matcha, I'll add a sweetener in there, and I usually like the taste of maple syrup. You can also do like honey or agave. Agave is like super duper sweet. But yeah, this is probably just good on its own too. Very milky, but it's really good. And here we are at the end of the video. Those are the 4 lattes that I have for you. I hope you'll try some of these yourself at home. Enjoy a luxurious homemade latte. Save your money. Forget those $6 lattes. Just do it yourself. DIY. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below which one of these you're most excited to try, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!